Well, I feel my hips like
Okay.
very like loosen.
It's good. It's good.
Yeah.
It's good. You get through this exercise. So come over here. Let's prove that stability. Remember we get the ankle stability. So
Right.
step turn this way. Like this way. So show one more time this ankle. That one stay on the right like this.
On the right side?
Yeah, on the right. So left leg. So you can see it's pretty shaky, right?
Yes.
Pretty shaky, you feel it?
Yeah.
Let's correct it. Let's correct it without bands. We're gonna do some cool exercise. This one is more stable.
A little bit more stable.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what you want to do? You're gonna follow your eye
Okay.
with for this pen. Do not move your neck, okay? And you just
Is it with the right?
no.
Oh.
You just stay
Oh,
where
just-
you are.
okay.
You can remove the head if you want.
Okay.
Yeah. So because it's gonna be you can put on the ball. There we go. So just very gently. You can don't move your head.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, that's okay. Don't need to be sorry. This is how usually is. Okay, so we look at that pen. And tell me if like a foggy stuff going on.
A little bit.
You're foggy.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, that's what you see. We're gonna clear it out. We're gonna come diagonally away. Try to keep that head straight. If you feel it's moving a lot, ask him to point his one finger on the jaw, and he will feel if he's moved that head. There we go.
Oh, I see.
Now you're gonna support. You see, he's not moving his head, but that's fine. Up and down. You can do close, away, close, away, close, away, close, away. Now left. I can tell when Eddie looked to the right, his left eye is doing some tricky stuff. You feel it too?
Yeah.
That's fine. So we're focusing on this leg.
Okay.
So hold on. Yeah. Take a look. Now. I can use circles like a spinning. Just follow up if this is too much. He can do on his own if you feel uncomfortable. If I go too fast, and let it go. Perfect. Next one, what we're going to do, you're gonna step on the toe, rotate, and doing this, right? Couple times, and after you start turning your head left and right, you're doing this. Okay? Go ahead.
So 1.
Exactly.
2.
Just try to like cross it.
Oh,
There
okay.
we go. Perfect. Yeah, don't need to be. There we go. Now start turning your head to the opposite side.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, perfect. You did perfect.
Like-
Yeah, you're doing good. Excellent. There we go. Yeah, I want you to keep that chest up and rotate. Like this. Turn, and start turning. Exactly. Now you can watch. Hands on that hips. You turn and you turn. Come back. Turn. You see, this is uncomfortable to you.
Yeah.
Turn. Turn back. Turn. Head. Don't worry.
So
Turn. Very slowly. Turn. Again. Cool. You can kind of go a little bit diagonally backward. Turn.
Okay.
Yeah. Don't worry, you're not gonna fall. Perfect. Excellent. Look at that. Very cool stance. You feel weird?
Yeah.
I know, me too. I wasn't doing it for a long time, and I feel it. And now let it go. Okay, shake yourself up. Couple steps. And let's try to step again on that left foot. Is that improved? Be honest, okay? Try to step. How do you feel?
How it feels? I feel like a lot more stable.
It's more stable, yes. It's more, look at that, it's more stable. Now, what we're going to do, we're gonna do double band.
Okay.
So, like I said, attach to the door, to your Sweden wall, that's the best thing you can do. Here we go, the ankle is collapsing in, right? So we need to get that ankle around. Hold on, I wanna do double band on you. And this one is probably gonna be too much. Yeah, this one is going to be too much. Double band, triple band, Usually I do support hip, knee, and the ankle. So it's 3-banded, but we're going to do just a double band.
Got it.
This one is coming first. And you guys do above, below the knee first and above the knee. So come up here. This one below the knee and that one on the foot. On the foot. Now go as far as possible away. Yeah, you can stay. Now you're gonna step on one leg. This one, don't worry, I'm here. And I'm here. How do you feel?
I feel very stable.
Very stable. You see the band is supporting him, and look at that ankle because he's not collapsing anymore. Every time ankle was coming inside, there was no support up there. That's a great exercise. And guess what? He can do that. Next one, we can give him some weight to Eddie, and he can do this. Watch. Yeah, hold it, and you can do like rotation, turning. Don't worry. Okay. This is advanced. I help you out. No worries. Perfect. You see, I help him. He's not scared anymore. That's not him. It's brain. Right. Now push forward, like push that weight forward like this. He's fighting it. Look at that. Exactly. Don't worry. I'm holding you. There we go. And that's how you help. Try like. Good. What do you feel? You feel that in there? It's burning?
Yeah, it's burning.
It's burning. That's what we're looking for. He's reactivating all those muscles. He's surrounded. Let me get this one. So, yes. Feel good, huh?
Yeah, it feels good. It's burning.
And it's you can do like more advanced stuff. You can give him some rotation. Go ahead, step on it on that one. Oh, I can pull it out under you.
Oh,
here we go. You're welcome. Now watch. Kind of no. Step on this one, and yes, start rotating in and out. Okay. Yeah, look at that. What do you feel?
Yeah, it feels good. It feels like I'm getting a stretch. Little burning.
It's good. It's activation. He activated muscle. This is what we're looking for. Look at that. Next one, we're gonna create that arc. We want that arc. We don't want to collapse in food, and that's what he's gonna do this. For a couple days, that kind of standing exercise, he don't need to do rotation of that foot, but that's, like I said, it's a lot of exercise you can do. Right. Let it go, yes. So just step towards and let it go those bands. Let it go. Also, ankle mobility, great exercise. What else we can do? Oh, yeah, the towel exercise.
Oh, right.
This is my favorite one. This is going to create the arc. So the legs, you're gonna try to scoop up and pick it up. That's fine if it's not happening. Yay! You see? Why it's hard? Because this is the yoga mat and it's restricting him. Yes. So do this on the floor. And that's gonna work really good. Look at this. How do you feel?
Yeah. I feel a lot of the small like foot muscles. Like
exactly. Small foot muscles, and it's so many of them, and he's activating them. Here, look at that.
Yeah.
There we go. Look, you're gonna be when you, it's like great. Your foot is gonna become like an arm, so you can put the spoon and eat it. That's the key. Let me try it. You see? Yeah. So stuff like that create that arc, and that's what you guys do. Also, walking like this, rotate in and out. Sometimes it's spasming. Yes, exactly. Let me give you the band, and I'll show it to you. Yes, step inside. This one too. Try to spread it, and now rotate in and out. Exactly. You see what he's doing? You can also put his ball up here, and he's gonna work only through this one. Come up here. Yeah, like a horse stance. And doing that now. How's that feel?
Yeah, it's very focusing.
Exactly. So that's the fun. You have to get that fun. The exercise have to be like a game day. It's not just a training. It's a game. You have fun. And that's where it's reactivated. Because if you're going to tell your brain, let's train, he's not going to have fun. He's going to quit. But if you have fun, it's like a game that's going to get longer and more effective. And that's, like I said, we can do buncher for this case, but that's what let's say, not overdo and not something advanced. We want basic stuff as much as possible. You guys enjoy your day. Thanks for being with us, and get rid of this duck walking legs. All right, how you feel?
Feeling amazing.
Good.
Yeah.
Me too. It's a great session. I like it. I like the effect. Okay.